3, 2, 1.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
Hear that, my trusted friend, he's ahead of the night. Great, good, body right for old lang syne.
For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
Well, that was the extraordinary Auld Lang Syne, a poem by Robert Burns, written in 1788. Auld Lang Syne means long time since we've seen you, and it's a way of saying goodbye and hello. And I think, on behalf of everyone in Scotland, it's been fantastic having you guys with us.
Oh, it's been fantastic being here for the closing ceremony. All the crowd have been on their feet enjoying tonight, singing along. You see the atmosphere, everybody celebrating such a wonderful Commonwealth Games.
I really thought that locomotion was going to be the coolest part of that closing ceremony, and then they came out with that Auld Lang Syne, and wow, amazing.
And there we see the athletes of the Commonwealth celebrating here at Hampden Park in Glasgow. This is Southwest Glasgow football territory, but taken over tonight by them, the men and women and boys and girls of these 71 Commonwealth nations. I think even Kylie Minogue slightly overwhelmed.
Amazing. Such a good time.
So Rochelle, it's your territory next, and I can imagine folk in the Gold Coast just looking forward to this so much.
Well, we are looking forward to it. It's so exciting to have the Commonwealth Games in 2018. We're sure that we'll put on a good show, but we've got a very, very strong performance to follow.